Greetings! It's on to Jim Jarvis, the Pep Talks coach, coming straight at you today. Thursday the 29th of April 2023 was the Bonfire Night in Your Yard event at Old St George Park, Victoria, St Mark, Grenada. And here are some of the highlights of the evening. The evening had a selection of artists, both local and international. The people that really enjoyed the evening were the children who were not afraid to express themselves, either sing along to the music or dance. They had a wonderful time. They weren't even thinking about school.
So everybody just St. Max, big up. We upgraded. Big up to every. Hey, hold on. Yes. Good night, everybody. Hey, all the foreigners in the place, big up.
I'm a favorite this, you know.
Oh wow.
First time in Grenada, having that time of my life.
Oh, that's great to see.
I want a photo, please.
Excuse me, sir.
I'm sorry, Mom.
I'm sorry.
I just love it. I love it. Everybody's having fun tonight. Men, women and children that attended the Bonfire Night had a fantastic time. The artists really put on a great show. On the night, there was a fish cooking competition and a selection of chefs came forward to cook the best fish dish. So here we see them preparing their concoction, hoping that their dish will be number one. Stay tuned as I share with you who actually won the fishing competition. The winner of the fish cooking competition was Miss Ricklin Julian. Who came first? Ricklin Julian, tell us what happened tonight.
I kinda don't know how to feel.
So you won?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, well done. And tell us a little bit about the recipe.
Well, I did coconut and ginger fish, and with ground coconut, we blend it with the ginger and seasoning, and cook it in the coconut milk.
You do actually run a catering company, don't you?
I do. I make pizzas. My company name is Everlasting Flavor. My logo and the motto is good things come to those who wait.
Ricklin Julian from Everlasting Flavors. Thank you. Now I got this gentleman smelling sweet and nice behind me. Can you tell me what your name is, please? Sweetest.
Randy Valley, Kelly Valley. Anybody ready for Rizzo?
And why are you here tonight?
Who ready for you? Are you ready for
You
it?
come for the Bonfire Night.
Alright.
Have you had a wonderful time tonight?
Yeah, it was very wonderful tonight.
The bonfire event happens annually, so we hope to see you again next year in Victoria, St. Mark.
Good night, everybody.
In the meantime, take great care of you. It's Sandra GM Jarvis, the Pep Talks coach, coming straight at you today. Bye for now.